During a project, many unexpected circumstances make it difficult to ensure that the design meets the requirement. For instance, it exists numerous communication channels. Thus, it becomes difficult to locate the most up-to-date information. Hopefully, the digital transformation strengthened by the ISDD links and streamline content for each domain: specification, design, and documentation. Here we will demonstrate how Magellan ISDD manages impacts when modifying a high-level requirement and how it eventually assists the experts to fully align the three domains. In the ISDD, we directly modify a high-level requirement extracted from a requirement management tool like doors. In the ISDD, the cascade effect is detected from the system specification through the hardware specification to the hardware design description. We will follow all impact caused by the initial change. The hardware specification needs to be aligned with the system specification. Discrepancies are clearly presented in the dependency screen. The ISDD optimizes experts' time by bringing key elements to the forefront. Thus, the field of investigation is contained and manageable. Impacts are also detected on the hardware design description. The thinking is now at the design level. Finally, we can see the potential mismatch between the new requirement and the existing design. A connector must be replaced. The hardware designer is then notified. He is now able to find the component on the PCB. Before considering modifying the design, it's always best to simulate the effect of the replacement. In order to perform a what-if scenario analysis, we modify the hardware design description and replace the previous component with the new one. In fact, a requirement is violated. In order to satisfy the requirement of the French law about hazardous substances, we should avoid lead. It is mandatory to find another substitute or another component candidate. The hardware design description is then updated. Both the new requirement and the one about hazardous substances are met. Again, the domains, specification, design, and documentation are all aligned. Obviously, the same principle is applicable to managing component obsolescence.